It's a beautiful light rain falling tonight, and buddy brought a bike quill over. Wanted me to do a little bit of work. Y'all know Matthew. You've seen him on a couple of videos. Wanted me to grease the bearings on this wheel of his trainer for him, and so I thought it's a nice relaxing night. I'll go out here and I'm gonna try my hand at doing one of these really nice, quiet ASMR videos while I do this. These bike mechanics. That's huge on YouTube, you know? It's huge. And so I go grab a couple of tools. I come out and I start to the shop in this. As you can see,